Okay. Hi guys, Jeffney here, spacing out right now, and welcome to my channel. Today I will solve all my cubes. Just to give, do not look at what's through. Well, how is it so hard to show? Two by two, 3 by 3, and other ones that I will show. Okay, I need to pause the video. Okay, the video is still filming. Hopefully you can see my hands here. And I did it too large again. This is gonna be a long time to set up. Okay, now it's good. Okay, this thing is called the Mega Minx. I will not be solving it because it's too hard. Oh my god. It's actually not that hard. I just don't know how to solve the last layer currently. So I'm not going to scramble it, and this is a 1 by 1. Just wanted to show it for fun. Has the wrong color scheme. Okay, so if I am good with editing, it will show in the screen right now what the time, what I'm solving or scrambling right now. This is the mirror blocks. Wanted to show it. One of my favorite puzzles. So now it should show the mirror blocks that I'm scrambling right now on mirror blocks. Okay. I just want to talk a lot about my channel and stuff. And also how I solve the cube. Because it's been a long time since I've been on the channel. First, obviously I have become good at editing. That was what I was doing at the time. Okay, I'm gonna scramble this. I was also doing school because if you're a YouTuber at the age of 9, school is gonna be a major obstacle. Yup, it's gonna be a major obstacle. And also, I am releasing a new series. If you can see by my excitement right now. I am releasing a new series called Cardboard Table. I have made 2 episodes. They're just not edited yet properly, because both of them have time lapses. And if you know something about making video with CapCut, those are hard to make, especially if you didn't make separate filmations for a single video with CapCut. Oh, and also the last video I did with this was with another cube which I have lost. Now this one is a normal one, just a cheap one, actually a good one, decent. I don't know. Probably even some cube from Mario. And this one is magnetic. It's the R3M everybody's talking about. I notice why it's not so popular, because it's become my new main. And if you have two cubes that are good, and you choose one that everyone's talking about as your main, it means that one that everyone's talking about is good. And you need lots of persons to determine if it's actually good. And maybe hear their opinions. This one's called the pyramid. It's not a Rubik's pyramid. I just wanted to clear them out all for the all non-cubers. Then I know there's a lot of them, because there's a low amount of cubers in this world. In perspective of how many cubers or non-cubers are in this world. And now the hardest one of them all, actually not that hard, the 555. Okay, so, yep, I am producing another series called Cardboard Table. I have actually gone into this cubing, and also into other things I should mention. I have also gotten into Pokemon. I'm gonna make some videos about that soon. Okay, let me look. First, around 8.5 minutes. I don't know. I can't see the time properly. But let's start this. I'm gonna mark each point I end the puzzle. So, let me just show. It will start showing that I am solving the 2x2. Inspection first. You always do your inspections. Now, if I am good at editing and actually don't make trash, all done. Okay. Anti-soon, pretty good solving. Wiper. Yes, I am a beginner. Okay, now the 3x3. Oh yes, this is a classical puzzle. The one that everyone learns the first, and you actually can learn a decent amount of them. A decent amount of puzzles just knowing the 3x3. Yup, it's true. I give myself a good scramble. Oh, of course, I mess up. I think I need to do that at least once. Okay, finished soon. You pen and done. Okay, now to the other cube. It's magnetic, so magnetic luck. Okay, I don't know if that actually exists, but let's make it a meme. Magnetic luck now. I think this is the start of something new. Oh, and also I really like singing. So you may see some Pokemon music videos of some kind. Not my greatest solve, but oh yes, the mirror blocks. It's the same as a 3x3, but all instead of the colors, it's the shapes. Each piece has a different shape. And I think I'm gonna mess up a lot on this. I think I might mess up a lot on this. I think I might mess up a lot on this. I think I might mess up a lot in this. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video like this, yeah. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I know this is probably being streamed or something. Probably I'm looking at the future of 2023. Yep, probably. I just know that. Probably someone in the future told me is watching this video, looking back how much I improved. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I did that thing. I just know that I just did something wrong in this. Dum 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 dum. What did I just do with my progress right here? Now I don't know what I just did with my progress. Now, what did I do? Okay, I'm getting a little bit tired. This is the night after all. Okay, I might have started doing a little bit of Pokemon animations. Not a lot. Totally not a lot. Totally not planning on doing more. Yep, did everything wrong again. Because that's how life works, my friend. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to put. Okay. I wanna make help. You could give me some help by hitting the subscribe button. It's like a long play on a game, but it's with Rubik's cubes. And it isn't fast forward. No. We do not like those. We do not like them. No. I said no. No, help. No, need no help. Need no help. I need no help. Need no help. Need no help. I need no help. I'm doing this all alone. I know way I'm doing this. I'm doing all alone. No. I am a 9-year-old doing YouTube videos for literally no reason here. I am a 9-year-old doing videos for no reason right here. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. Help me. Why am I doing this right now? I just wanted to say thank you for the little click of the video right now, because I do not suck. Oh, finally I have come to the last layer. Okay, I need to pause the video now because of. Okay, Guys, I'm back, so I'm gonna continue the timer. I'm gonna resume what I have already done. Okay, looks like I've got a soon here. It was not a soon. No, this time it's a soon. Now it's in J.A. perm. Yep, the worst J perm. And flag. On to the next one. And pyramids. This one is one that is kind of fun to resolve. Oh, I gave myself an easy scramble. Okay, on to the 4x4. I'm gonna be some time here. Probably because 4x4 isn't a joke. It's kind of, oh no, fireworks. Ow! My ears. It's ringing. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong. Time to go. Ding dong, ding dong, ding 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 ding. Okay, that was my dad. Sorry for that, but the video isn't gonna end itself. It's kind of going to end itself, but not now. Okay, let me restart the timer here. Okay. Let me go back to my stuff over here, stuff over here, stuff over here. Let me go back to my stuff over here. Let me get back to my stuff over here. Tell me why your stuff over here isn't my stuff. cupcake, 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 cupcake. Legendary item. A legendary item has a fall out of the sky. I am going to see what that item is. First 4 pairs ready now. Yes or no? I don't know. I don't know how to solve parody, so I don't know how. How am I going to do this now? Do this now. How I'm gonna do this now is uncertain. Beep 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 wee 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 wee. I'm going to go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. I honestly don't know what I'm singing right now. Okay, I'm just gonna blur out what's on here because it's not supposed to appear. Oh my god, no. There is no other piece that is unsolved, right? Okay, just hope that I did not get parody. This is the first long challenge that I've done on my channel, and it really does feel long when you're filming a video. Camera fog. Okay, I edited out that part because of camera fill. And also, someone talked and I don't want the voice revealed before the voice reveal comes. So let me just show you the next puzzle. Almost forgot to scramble it, but while the video was paused, I was going to do something else that was exactly this. Look at this. It's strange, but it's a 3x3. How? I do not know. I do not know. Honestly, I do not know how. When did it become a 3x3? But I'm okay with it because I get to solve it. Okay. Now the turntables turns. Okay, I did it and now out another part. I'm gonna edit a lot of parts in this video, probably because I'm doing something boring or something that I cannot show happened. That just, I'm not okay now. I just had a boom. Kaboom, Rico. Yes, kaboom. And kaboom, this tetrahedron thingy. Because I just solved it. Now on to divide by 5. Now I am discouraged from all existence. End of the video. Bye. Never see you again. Actually, I'm playing. I'm not a coward. Okay, maybe I am. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am. Very not good today. Impossible. Oh my god. I've been here for so long. My hands are so tired. I feel like I can desist in any moment right now. But I'm not because of you guys. You are my force. Everyday force that gives me the power to do what I'm doing now. Oh, I feel like I could desist right now. Just someone help me. I need some help. Please. Oh, I've been here for some time. It's a lot of time. Actually, quite a bit of time. Okay, let me just say the truth. I have been here for a very, very, very long time. I can't see the marker on how many times we are, which is intriguing, to say the least. Okay, guys. It's been some time. But there's a problem. One that's real. Very real. In my aspect of view. We've come close to the end of the video, but there's a problem. I can't get past edge parity. Which means I'm not able to do it now. So, guys, if we reach 320 subs in the next 10 days, I'll fix this. I'll learn it and fix this, okay? So in total, I've been here for 36 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Japanese space and out.